Tio Thothaiti iria ikirugamagirira kana maundu megie urimi nicio ASK gicigo-ini kia Nyanza ni makigite ati ni magicokereirie monanio maya ma urimi na maria magikorirwo makianjiriria umuthi na maria magitanyitwo gukorwo makiinikirira umuthi wa kiumia kuringana kana monanio maya ni mambere kumanagia riria bururi wagikorirwo ukigomerwo ni king'uki kia murimu wa COVID-19 na uria niwe murugamiri wa ruhonge ruru mwena uyu wa Nyanza Kefa Onduso augite ati monanio maya magitanyitwo gukorwo magiteithiriria arimi gukorwo makigia mathomo ma uria mangikuria na kwagirithia urimi wao mwena uyu.
And I want to encourage our show goers, our exhibitors, that we are back after a break of 3 years of COVID. Indeed, the COVID pandemic damaged our business and we went into a break of 3 years. Now we are coming back in a very big way with the new technologies, innovations, and our show will be staged from 6th to 9th of July 2023. As you can see, we have started our demo plots. This is a maize that we are now demonstrating. We are also looking at matters of innovation in terms of agriculture. Innovations that we are talking about is where we can raise food without using the fertilizers that we buy from the shops. We can use the manures, as we can see from our demo plots. This is purely manure, purely agri-business. So what we are saying, we are trying to partner with the exhibitors who can be able to train mwananchi in terms of how to get soft loans for farm inputs, and also in terms of how we can make our own compost manures that we can use to plant our crops, so that now we don't go purchasing fertilizers, because if you don't plan very well in terms of farm input, then you will always know that your results will not be what you want. So